And should the girl listen to the nikah khutbah?
The first question, what is obligatory for a nikah to take place? Sister, the obligatory things are basically two things. One, sister, is the meher. But naturally, after choosing a life partner, everything else, for the nikah to take place, sister, one is meher should be there, whether it's paid immediately on nikah, before nikah, part before nikah, part afterwards, or completely afterwards. But the nikah amount has to be fixed. That's obligatory. Second is two witnesses, sister. Two witnesses are required, and that's it. These are the two major things that are required. Not nikah khutbah should take place, it's preferable, but the minimum requirement is the meher and two witnesses, sister. And regarding the girl, should she listen? It's preferable she listens, but even if she doesn't listen, that doesn't mean that the nikah does not take place. The advice is given, not that nikah khutbah should be there, it is preferable, it is good, it is mustab, but the two major requirements is the meher and the two witnesses, sister. Hope that answers the question.